Hello and welcome to TAJR Tuesday. I'm Jeremy, you're you, and let's go have some fun. If you guys watched the channel last year, you guys know that I prefer to use the DJI Osmo Action. I like the technology that was in it. I like staying in that environment using DJI products. I have since gone to the GoPro Hero 8. It does have a wider field of view, so I'm hoping some of the POV stuff, like I'm shooting today, will wind up being a better option. So yeah, let's see which works better.
Oh, you're right. Hi. How are ya? Good, having fun?
Oh yeah.
One more? How are ya?
How you doing?
Good. They're just right up the trail. They're right down there. This is the dam. And it's kind of neat how it cuts through the valley, and this is just one of those only spots that you can ever get that perspective. You can't see it from the overlooks. Overlooks are actually that direction. But yeah, to see straight down the Allegheny River from here is just amazing. Not sure if you guys can tell or not, but it is starting to rain. So I'll do the best I can to get you guys a nice clean POV or perspective. So I'll do two separate videos for you. Do the vlog for the TAJR Tuesday, as well as I will post a POV for the whole entire ride. That way you guys can see the Coal Knob to Tuttletown route that I'm taking today. I'll try and do it both directions. If for some reason it gets a little too wet, I'll at least post one, but we'll give it a shot.